I'll let them take him.
What?
I'll let them take him.
You sure? I got it on camera right now. Can I shoot him? Are you sure you're not gonna shoot him?
Watch out, Wayne. I think we're gonna shoot him.
Yeah, definitely. They gotta see that deer.
Oh, what the hell was that? Did you see that?
Yeah. That's a muzzleloader.
What the hell was that? We missed him.
They missed. It's a foul shot.